Hey there, welcome to Car Clinic. Today we're talking about bad fuel pump relay symptoms and the common failure signs you should know about. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss valuable videos like this one. Let's dive in. A bad fuel pump relay might seem like a small issue, but it can cause big problems for your car. This little device controls the power supply to your fuel pump, making it essential for getting fuel to your engine. When it starts to fail, your car can exhibit a variety of symptoms. Let's take a closer look at the most common warning signs so you can catch the problem early. First, your car might struggle to start. If you've noticed your engine cranking but not turning over, the fuel pump relay could be the issue. When this relay fails, it interrupts the flow of electricity to your fuel pump, meaning your engine doesn't get the fuel it needs to start properly. This might happen intermittently at first, but as the relay deteriorates, you could end up with a car that won't start at all. Next, your engine might stall unexpectedly. Imagine cruising along without a care, and then your car suddenly shuts off. A bad relay can stop sending power to the fuel pump, which cuts off the fuel supply to your engine. This can be dangerous if it happens while you're driving. Pay close attention if your car stalls out and seems to restart fine after a short wait. That's often a telltale sign of relay trouble. Another sign is engine misfires or a rough idle. When the fuel pump relay works inconsistently, it can cause the fuel pump to deliver fuel unevenly. This leads to irregular engine performance, like misfires or a rough, shaky idle. You might notice your engine sputtering or struggling to stay running when you're stopped at a light or idling in traffic. You might also experience reduced power or poor acceleration. If your car feels sluggish, especially when you press the gas pedal, it's a sign that your engine isn't getting the fuel it needs. A bad fuel pump relay can prevent your fuel pump from maintaining the proper fuel pressure, leaving your engine underpowered and slow to respond during acceleration. Keep an ear out for strange noises from the fuel pump. A healthy fuel pump should operate quietly in the background, but if you hear buzzing, whining, or other unusual sounds, it could mean your pump isn't receiving consistent power. A failing relay can cause these sounds as the pump struggles to operate normally. These noises often get louder over time, so don't ignore them. Finally, watch for a check engine light or warning messages. Modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that monitor the performance of critical systems like your fuel delivery. If the relay is failing, it can cause fuel pressure problems that trigger the check engine light. A diagnostic scan will often reveal codes related to the fuel system, so make sure to get this checked out if the light comes on. Bonus tip: don't overlook frequent relay failures. If you replace the relay and the new one fails again quickly, the problem could be deeper in your electrical system. Faulty wiring, a damaged fuel pump, or overheating components can lead to repeated relay issues. It's worth having your system inspected to rule out any underlying problems. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you have.